Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the Moonphase on your Seiko triple calendar Moonphase watch. As you can see, we have the version with the two crowns and the button here at 2 o'clock. Now I can use the crown on the right in order to set the time and date, the crown on the left in order to adjust this 24-hour dial. This can be used either as a GMT or in order to have the military time displayed in case you synchronize it with the other watch hands, so with the main hands of the watch. And in order to set the Moonphase, you are going to need a tool in order to push this button inwards, and you will be able to adjust the Moonphase day by day. You can see just like that. Pressing and holding won't work, so you won't be able to speed scroll. You can go online and find different websites that display the Moonphase for watches, and you can easily go and adjust it. So you can go and synchronize it with that one exactly. You can also use, for example, the Swatch website, because they have the Swatch X Omega Moonphase complication model. So you can go and look at the Moonphase and then you can synchronize it. This is going to be a real Moonphase, so this is going to be available for 29.5 days. It is going to make a full rotation in that period, so you need to maybe synchronize it from time to time, so you can always look at the stars, the moon, the sun, in order to make sure that it is fully aligned. In order to have everything synchronized, make sure to first set the time and date, the other subdial, and then set the Moonphase on your Seiko calendar Moonphase model. I have another guide with a different Seiko triple calendar Moonphase model that does not feature the button, so in case you need to adjust it using the watch hands, make sure to watch that one as well. Once again guys, if you are into watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.